Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how much is a Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open a browser and type here shopify.com/pricing, and here we can see their plans web page, and from here you will get all the information about Shopify store cost or monthly cost. So basic plans start from $29 per month, and Shopify plan start from $79 per month, and the advanced plan start from $299 per month. And if you want to know more about these three packages, then click on show plan features, and here you will get more information about these three packages.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.